So Evan, before we wrap today, we like to do something we call the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in the business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have a little bit more fun. What do you got for us?
Okay. Like I said, I'm a knucklehead. I don't have all of the apps. I don't have the social media presence like a lot of the other agents have. But what I do like, my widget is to be consistent in learning new skills, learning new mindset. If you're not progressing, you're falling behind. Right now, I have multiple audiobooks going at the same time, but the one that I'm listening to now is Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill.
Yep.
And the part of the book that I'm in now is about faith and how if we believe it, it can literally become reality. You know, whether you're religious and you believe in Jesus Christ as your Savior and that He performed miracles, whether you believe that or not, doesn't matter. The truth, though, is that if you believe it, like we really have the power to make our reality happen. And that comes, I've learned that a lot over the years, but more so it's helped me in this line of work, being a realtor. And that comes from constantly trying to learn and progress. And if you're not progressing, then you're falling behind. Continue to learn. Do audio, read audiobooks. Listen to YouTube cold callers in your car if you want. If you're not learning, then you're getting dumber.
Love that.
Quote that.
Save that clip. Mine will actually tie into cold calling because I think that there's a lot of times agents say like, I don't know who to call. I don't have anybody to call. I don't need more leads. I need more leads. Well, there's really no limit on leads out there. Everybody who lives is a lead. In all reality, like everybody has a desire to own a home someday. And even the ones that like are naysayers, they know they really want to own a home. They just say that because it doesn't make sense at that point in time in life or whatever. But there is pretty much an unlimited supply of leads that are out there. It's just up to you to go after them. So one of my favorite forms of prospecting for new business is what's often referred to as circle prospecting. Put a pin on a map on a property, draw a circle around it, and call everybody within that circle. That is known as circle prospecting. So you're typically prospecting around an open house you're gonna do, around a property you just listed or a property that just sold, and you're just calling everybody in the neighborhood. And those calls are not that hard when you're calling to promote an open house. Like that's why we love open houses. It gives me an excuse to call everybody in the neighborhood. Hey, Evan, it's Kyle over at Whissel Realty. You probably saw that sign around the corner at 123 Main Street. I want to invite you to come by the open house. Like people don't hang up on you when that's your open. But when you call like, hey, I'm the local realtor. Do you want to buy or sell? Like that's when you're getting hung up on a lot of times. So my favorite source for getting that data for circle prospecting is Cole Realty Resource, C-O-L-E, Cole Realty Resource. We've been using that as a team for years now. Huge fan of it. And you can literally pull phone numbers, names, addresses, email addresses, everything. So you could also then combine into an email campaign and a direct mail campaign to go along with your phone calls that you're making, which will drastically increase your response rate. So if you guys are looking to implement circle prospecting, Cole Realty Resource, if you shoot me a DM, I think I have a code. I might be able to save you a couple $100. So send me a DM on Instagram at Kyle Whissel, and I will hook you up with that code. Evan, appreciate you, man. This has been fun getting to go a little deeper with you. And hopefully you guys got some value out of the show. With that said, we'll see you next week here on the Whissel Way podcast. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.